You let me penetrate you. You let me complicate you. Help me, I broke apart my insides. Help me, I've got no soul to sell. Help me, the only thing that works for me.
And then, after natin nilagyan ng Michelin yan, na-discover natin, isa sa mga wheels natin may matinding wiggle. But ang pinagkakatakahan nila is matinding wiggle, pero konti lang yung pingga na kailangan nilagay doon para to balance it out. So I'm like, pwede na yan, pwede na. But at the back of my mind, I want this thing perfect, I want this thing fixed. Now OC ako. So I think I asked Aldous naman, Aldous, sino ba okay dyan? And then they suggested OSMR, which is old school mags restoration, and they specialize in really fixing and restoring old mags and making it brand spanking new. Since tinila to ng Defy, I needed someone who can sort this out without having to destroy the paint already kasi okay na yung powder coat eh. Ang maganda pa dito, sobrang liit ng mundo. Chris turns out to be the nephew of Johnny Alegre, my bandmate in Human Folk, and when I sessioned for Johnny sa mga jazz gigs niya and Affinity. So, a small world. We went to his place in Fairview. Present ako yung problema ko. Kaya namin yan. And then, yung nga lumalabas, yung problem ko was not a bengkong dyan sa labas. Nasa gitna pala barrel. 19s to. So, paano nila gagawin? And ginawa nila ng paraan.
So, basically, ito yung wheel nun. 19s, pang Cayman. So, pag tinignan nyo yung gilid, this is the front portion, this is the back portion. Yung back portion niya, merong part dito sa likod niya na uneven. Yung tire niya, hindi siya nakalapat ng todo. Maybe, ayun yung naging indication ng talbog. Pero, for me, may chance na yon. Next, may maliit na tama dito sa harapan. Pero, easily repairable naman to. Wala mang problema. Then, third naman, this is a run-of-the-mill na medyo kakaiba. May konting wiggle siya dito sa gitna na barrel. Yeah, ng wheel. Which is hindi nga siya normal. We call it manufacturer's defect. Hindi natin masabi. Maybe nabengkong siya ng medyo kakaibang way. Pero long story short, repairable naman lahat.
That's awesome. I know you have your trade secrets, right? There's some things that
Yes.
you won't divulge. Pero generally speaking, paano mo ito aayusin without giving up your secret?
Well, basically, any metal can be bent back to shape using force. Meron tayong mga hydraulic presses. Meron din tayong mga special na mga tools. Pero, partnered yun with the notion na kailangan, pag ininita mo ang isang bakal, there are certain temps lang na pwede mo siyang initan. Hindi mo siya pwedeng sagarin kasi ang problem naman sa kanya, masyado siya maging malambot. Or kung hindi man, maybe umabot sa point yan na, though hindi pa naman namin pag-eksperimentohan lang namin, abot sa point na pag linaglag mong ganun, para na siyang plato. As in, shatter.
Ingat
Yun.
din. No? Kasi
Yes.
safety. Sige. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.